Alright, there it is. So this is looking into the sun. So some stupid reason every time I want to do a video I end up screwing it up some way. But anyway, I'm not going to turn the truck around and all that good stuff. This is my remote start, and it should make the lights come on, the daytime running lamps. So that's what we ended up with. I think they should be a little bit brighter, but maybe I don't know, maybe I got something hooked up wrong. Okay, yeah, right now, that's right. Those are actually the headlights. The DRLs are on, but they're not at max brightness because I have my windshield protector in. So if I take that down or just turn the lights off completely manually, then you'll see the brightness of the DRL. So there we go. It does get a little bit brighter. So those are the DRLs, the yellow and the white. If you don't want the yellow or orange, amber, whatever color, you can take it off. So shut it down. So there's your DRLs only. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get those work. All right, so your locking sequence, unlock, and then I will do the hazards just so you can see the sequential turn signals. Looks a lot better in person. It's like the video don't pick up on the LED real good for some reason. Anyway, that's it.